boys and girls. I just bought my camera just in case you guys might want to see where we're going today. How's everyone? Yeah, I gotta put my seatbelt on, okay guys? Yeah. Hi, say hi, where are you? Hi. My driver. Anyway, I'm Nellie's mama. See? Yeah, I had to like get some skin taken because I went to see a specialist and he said that I keep getting all these, you know how sometimes you guys must see a white spot here or something? Yeah, well, I have like allergy from the sun. So, what are you giggling at, Hope? Because I'm telling people my injury, say, yeah guys, so I thought I wasn't going to film until all the stuff is healed. You can go on my side. But I thought, oh, I'm going to miss you guys. Yeah, see? See, dedication, scars and all. So we're going to head out somewhere. Hope you're going to come with us, or we're dropping you off at the station.
Where are you going?
We're heading to Auburn. It's a bit far, you might miss your train, or we can drop you off at a station nearby. Yeah. Or what?
Well, I don't know what station's near where we're not.
Okay.
What do you want to do? How long? When do you start work?
Start 12.
Yeah, no, we're taking you to the station, bro.
Well, we're going to take you to the station.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry,
It's not
Hope.
for 12.
Next time. We're on Richmond Road, guys. We're heading to take Hope to the station.
Will you make it to the Will Mandra have your train there? Yeah.
Yeah, so we're dropping Hope out to the station and then we carry on. But we're on Richmond Road, guys, and there's Blacktown up there on the side. So we arrived in our destination. That's what Navman said. Hey Sharon, look, someone took a picture of you. So guys, we're back from Auburn. Got the chairs that we went to get. Now we're in Penrith. I know, Anyway guys, I had seen this on Facebook, this place. And I wanted to come and check it out. It's at 429 High Street, shop 15. And it's called Faye Penrith. So we're going to look up what we're going to eat. I already have something in mind. You know that picture I showed you? Okay, I'll show you guys my food when I get here. This is the pork. And this is the chicken. Looks good, doesn't it? There's the crispy pork. Looks real good. Thank you. Sorry guys, I took a bite before I filmed. So this is the pork, crispy pork, and it's got cucumber in it. And this one has chicken. Oops. Yeah, it's got chicken and onion and a nice sort of barbecue sauce. Thank you. And this is the pork chop that they have. Pork chop, rice, and a nice egg. It actually looks lovely. You share it. And here's I got combination noodle soup, guys. So here's my band-aid. Anyway, have a look at that. There's the soup, and there's the little bits and pieces that go into the soup. That looks really nice, right? Well, it's here in Penrith. Okay, I told you the address, eh? It's 249 High Street, Penrith, shop 15. Oh, Sharon, that pork chop looks delicious. Anyway, I'm going to have to see. All the chairs is being separated, so you don't face one another, you know, like a corona. Anyway, I'm going to put some of this into my bowl. Can you say it, Sharon? Good. Good. See, Peter and Yan, they always go and have, Peter and Yan, they are the couple from New Zealand. So they always go and have their photo. I like sticking the stalk in as well because it's got a lot of flavour in the stalk. And the bean sprouts goes in there too. Because you want to cook it, soften it. Yeah, there's Sharon's ASMR with a drink. And I'll squeeze a bit of lemon. Yeah. So I've got one more leaf to go in there, okay? See, if you get hot, you just splash a bit on your what a nice leaf. Guys, they use this sometimes to wrap up food and eat. I think I'll just put it in here. Yeah, see? I put that leaf in there instead of putting it in the soup. It's still really. So guys, here, have a bite. See? Glad you guys are hanging out with me. This is why I wanted 4. Should have got 4 of each. Thank you. I wonder if we can copyright for this one. That's all. That's really nice. Should have got 2. I'm not in the mood for chicken one. I came all the way here to get the pork.
They're both pork.
This is chicken. Oh. So this is pulled pork and crispy pork. Good. It's worth coming here. But they don't really make this out our ways. guys, I found me a nice new place to go to. Then I taste the broth first before I start jumping the gun and saying it's nah. I know it's good because the pork is already nice. The broth not bad. Have a taste of it. Anyway, to tell you the truth, I don't know what this is for. But I've got nothing else to do with it. So I think I'll just bung it all in here, make the flavour. What is it?
Chili.
Pardon? What chili? I don't want... No.
Chili sauce.
Oh, yeah. Which one is chili? This one ain't. I don't want any chili. Yeah, one of them is chili. But what's this then? Peppercorn? I want this flavour in my soup. Okay, you have that one because it's got chili. Dig into your pork chop and tell me if it's nice. Nah, this is my new hangout. Nah. Made up my mind. Made up my mind, guys. My new hangout. Look at this. Look at the soup itself. Looks yummy, right? The who one looks good too. Look at the pork chop.
Oh, that's... Wait, you made the chili oil. That was chili oil.
That's what I wanted.
That's hoisin and that's
A little bit more.
chili sauce. That's chili sauce, chili oil.
Straight away is nice. Straight away. Man, I want some of these to take away. Hey. Hey, the pork's little nipple. It's right there. Can you see that? Got a little lump. It's a nipple. I don't want to eat a nipple.
Oh my.
Look like the more home. Knife here too. Chop me a little bit, eh? Just a little bit. The nice bit in the corner. Really good. This is good. Haven't cut me a bit of her pork. You've got a little bit of blubber on the corner. No. It's nice, okay. Tell me to show if it's tasty. Okay. I'll drive out here. I don't care. It's worth it. It's nice. The pork is really tasty. Oh, nice. No. I'll come again. It's good food. Now this one is the pork and onion and sauce. It's really tasty. I don't know about this one. But the crispy pork, delicious.
That's barbecue pork. That one's roast pork.
It needs a bit more sauce, eh? got the flavours in there.
Oh, I have to go to Costco.
Oh,
Everyone from Costco.
so that'll be after delivering the chairs, right? Man, this is a lovely soup. No. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to come here again. What are these balls sound? Pork balls?
I don't know, it's combination.
A combination of pork balls and vegetables. It's like chewy pork meat. This is like a little place hidden in the background. But guys, if you're getting your wife, stop over and get some of this here. Are you going to go order? No.
What do you want?
Pork chop meal and 4 days crispy. You gonna take me on the pork, okay? Swap the money. Okay. Get you 4 of the pork. Get me 4 of the pork. Really. and 2 pork chop meals, please.
Takeaway.
Yeah. So I'll get 1 for Chalora and 1 for. These ball things are quite nice. It's like pork, you know, really minced. So when it's minced, it turns into like sausage. And then they mince it some more and it tastes sort of rubbery, but still chewable and eatable and yum. So I'm so happy I saw this on Facebook, guys. See, it's a good thing that I know this food, you know, because I'm big sometimes when it comes to food. And Sharon's in the worst. Shh, don't tell her. You know guys, this is really nice. Did I tell you guys it's nice? I'm not kidding. It's lovely. Yeah, I don't know if I'll come dinner tonight, man. Because I'm going to eat this pork chop at home. But I'll come just to have dessert. Do you want me to make that food?
What?
That
Dessert.
peach thing. Okay, I'll make that. Next minute, not hungry, come eat all the food.
Yeah, come have the biggest steak there. Skinny.
I'm telling you the truth. No, these are actually nice.
Oh, poor thing. She looks like she's hurting.
Thank you.
She looks like she's hurting.
That's the walk tonight. It's like walking, man. Guys, I already say my prayers. Because you always got to send thanks. Even if it's in your mind. God bless everything. Oh, your pork looks pretty clean. Not the bone. Nice, eh? Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, having lunch. I don't know if this Asian song is copyrighted, so I'll have to put my own song over it, and that's probably copyrighted version. Thanks for hanging out with me and Sharon Lee. Okay guys, nice week flight. I'll probably talk to you on the way home, okay? I'll probably show you guys me straightening the chairs over by the food. Okay, take care guys if I don't come back. Man, the soup is delicious. Lee, if you're watching this, come and check this place out. 4